Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your life if you truly understand it. How to become a new person. Not fake change. Not temporary motivation. Not one day excitement. Real change. The kind of change that starts inside you and slowly transforms your habits, your thinking, your actions, and your future. Many people say, I want to change. They feel tired of their old life. They feel stuck in the same routine. They want better habits, better confidence, better results. But after a few days, everything goes back to normal. Why? Because they try to change their life without changing themselves. They try to fix results without fixing the root. And that is why nothing lasts. In this video, I am going to give you a clear, simple, powerful system to become a new version of yourself step by step. This is not just motivation. This is a practical method. If you follow it consistently, you will not stay the same person. You will think differently. You will act differently. And slowly, your life will start changing. If you are serious about becoming a better version of yourself step by step, make sure you subscribe. On this channel, you will get clear systems, practical strategies, and real guidance to help you grow, stay consistent, and improve your life. Subscribe now and let's build a stronger version of you together. Step 1. Accept that your current habits created your current life. This is where real change begins. Many people want a new life, but they protect their old habits. They wake up late. They waste time. They avoid hard work. They overthink. They delay action. And at the same time, they expect different results. That is not how growth works. Your life is not random. Your life is a reflection of what you do daily. If you want a new life, you must build new habits. This may feel uncomfortable at first. You may not like hearing this. But this truth is powerful because it gives you control. If your habits created your current life, then new habits can create a new life. That means you are not stuck. That means you are not limited. That means change is possible. The moment you accept this, you stop blaming and start building. Step 2. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building discipline. Most people believe they need motivation to change. They wait to feel ready. They wait to feel excited. They wait for the perfect moment. But that moment rarely comes. Some days you feel motivated. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel lazy. If your actions depend on your mood, your progress will always be slow. Discipline is different. Discipline means you do what you need to do even when you don't feel like doing it. It means you show up on good days and bad days. It means you keep moving even when progress feels slow. This is what creates real transformation. Small actions repeated daily become powerful over time. You don't need perfect days. You need consistent days. Step 3. Change your identity, not just your goals. Many people say, I want to lose weight, or I want to be confident, or I want to be successful. These are goals. But goals alone do not create lasting change. Identity creates change. Instead of saying, I want to work out, say, I am a person who takes care of my body. Instead of saying, I want to be confident, say, I am a person who speaks with confidence. When you change your identity, your actions start matching your beliefs. Your brain begins to support your new version. You start asking different questions. What would a disciplined person do right now? What would a confident person say in this situation? These small shifts change your behavior naturally. And when your behavior changes, your life changes. Step 4. Start small, but stay consistent. Many people fail because they try to change everything at once. They create big plans. They set unrealistic goals. They try to work hard for a few days. Then they feel tired. Then they quit. Real change does not happen like this. Real change is slow, steady, and consistent. Start with small actions that you can repeat daily. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Read for 10 minutes. Exercise for 15 minutes. Practice a skill for 20 minutes. These actions may look small, but they are powerful when you repeat them every day. Over time, they become habits. And habits create your identity. You don't need to do everything. You need to do something every day. Step 5. Control your environment. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your motivation. If your phone is always in your hand, you will waste time. If junk food is around you, you will eat it. If negative people surround you, your mindset will suffer. Many people try to stay strong in a weak environment. That is very difficult. Instead, design your environment to support your goals. Keep your phone away when you work. Keep books where you can see them. Surround yourself with people who inspire you. Follow content that helps you grow. When your environment supports your actions, change becomes easier. You don't need to fight yourself all the time. You simply move in the right direction. Step 6. Learn to face discomfort. Growth is uncomfortable. There is no way around it. When you try something new, you feel fear. When you leave your comfort zone, you feel resistance. When you work on yourself, you feel pressure. Many people stop at this point because they think discomfort means something is wrong. But the truth is the opposite. Discomfort means you are growing. Think about it like training your body. When you exercise, your muscles feel pain. But that pain is part of growth. The same happens in life. When you feel uncomfortable while improving yourself, it means you are moving forward. Do not run away from discomfort. Learn to stay in it. Learn to move through it. That is how you become stronger. Step 7. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection is a trap. Many people want to do everything perfectly. They want perfect plans, perfect timing, perfect results. But perfection does not exist. And waiting for perfection delays your progress. It stops you from taking action. Instead, focus on progress. Small progress every day is powerful. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be better than yesterday. Some days will be good. Some days will be slow. That is normal. What matters is that you keep moving. Progress builds confidence. And confidence makes action easier. Step 8. Build strong mental habits. Your thoughts shape your actions. If you constantly think negative thoughts, your actions will be weak. If you doubt yourself, you will hesitate. If you believe you cannot change, you will not even try. That is why mental habits are important. Start training your mind. Replace negative thoughts with useful thoughts. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I'm learning this. Instead of saying, I always fail, Say, I am improving step by step. This is not fake positivity. This is mental training. Over time, your thinking becomes stronger. And strong thinking leads to strong actions. Step 9. Take responsibility for your life. This is one of the most powerful steps. Many people blame others. They blame their past. They blame their situation. They blame their luck. But blaming keeps you stuck. It removes your power. When you take responsibility, everything changes. You stop asking, why is this happening to me? You start asking, what can I do now? This shift gives you control. It makes you active, not passive. It helps you move forward even when things are not perfect. Responsibility is not about blaming yourself. It is about empowering yourself. Step 10. Stay consistent even on bad days. This is where most people fail. They start strong. They feel excited. They follow their plan. But then a bad day comes. They feel tired. They feel stressed. They skip their routine. And slowly, they stop completely. You need a rule for bad days. On bad days, do less, but do something. If you cannot do 30 minutes, do 10 minutes. If you cannot do everything, do one thing. The goal is not perfection. The goal is continuity. When you keep going even on bad days, you build real discipline. And discipline creates long-term change. Step 11. Be patient with your growth. Change takes time. You will not become a new person in one day. You will not see results immediately. Sometimes progress will feel slow. Sometimes you will feel like nothing is changing. But if you stay consistent, results will come. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't see growth every day. But under the surface, change is happening. If you keep watering the seed, it will grow. The same is true for you. Keep working. Keep improving. Trust the process. One day, you will look back and realize how far you have come. If you truly want to become a new person, remember this. Change is not one big decision. Change is a series of small decisions made daily. Every action matters. Every habit matters. Every choice matters. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. The person you want to become is not far away. That person is built through your daily actions. Start today. Start small. Stay consistent. And slowly, your life will change. Keep going. Your new version is closer than you think. As you continue this journey, you will start noticing something powerful. The things that once felt difficult will begin to feel normal. Waking up early will no longer feel like a struggle. Practicing daily will no longer feel like a burden. Speaking with confidence will no longer feel scary. This is how real transformation works. At first, everything feels uncomfortable. Then it becomes manageable. And finally, it becomes part of who you are. There will be moments when you feel like giving up. There will be days when your progress feels invisible. You may look at others and think they are moving faster than you. You may doubt yourself. You may question your ability to change. But in those moments, you need to remember one simple truth. Growth is not always visible. Just because you cannot see results today does not mean nothing is happening. Every small effort you make is building something inside you. You are building discipline. You are building confidence. You are building a stronger mindset. These things take time, but they create powerful results. The key is to stay focused on your path. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10. Everyone's journey is different. What matters is that you are moving forward, even if the steps are small. At some point, you will look back at your old self and realize how much you have changed. The person who once doubted everything is now taking action. The person who once stayed silent is now expressing ideas. The person who once felt stuck is now growing. This realization will not come suddenly. It will come quietly, after weeks and months of consistent effort. And when it comes, it will feel real. Becoming a new person is not about becoming someone else. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. It is about removing the habits, thoughts, and fears that are holding you back. It is about building a life that reflects your true potential. This process is not easy, but it is worth it. So keep going. Stay committed to your daily actions. Stay patient with your progress. Trust the system you are building. Because one day, without even realizing it, you will wake up and see that you are no longer trying to change. You have already changed. And the life you once imagined is now becoming your reality. Your journey has already started. Now it is your responsibility to continue. If you enjoyed this story and want to improve your English and your life, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join this learning journey with us. And watch the next story on your screen to continue improving your English.